Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are shopping on AliExpress, sometimes things doesn't work out. Maybe the item you received wasn't as expected or it was damaged during the shipping. But the good news is that you can return your purchase and get a refund. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It is super simple, so without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, open up your AliExpress app on your device. Make sure that you have logged in your account. Then, you'll see an account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. A new interface will be opened with various of settings. What you're gonna do is click on View All. In the View All section, you will see the history of the orders that you have placed. I didn't place any order, so there is no orders in my list. But if you have placed any order, you'll see list of orders that you have placed. Then what you're gonna do is click on Return and Refund. Now in the Return and Refund section, you'll be asked to select the reason for the return. It could be anything. Choose the one that fits best in your situation. Be honest and detailed with your reason. It will help speed up the process. If needed, you can also upload photos of the issue, like a damaged item or the product that doesn't match the description. This will support your claim and make it easier to get your refund. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more AliExpress tips and tricks.